Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I'm working on a Sony A7R3 camera that was sent in by a photographer. The camera fell over while on a tripod. The customer said that when he would do a quick burst, the camera would go into the camera error, turn power off, then on message. The only way to power it down was to remove power. There are a few things that can cause this problem, and to find out, I will need to open the camera to properly diagnose it. After careful testing and inspection of the shutter and MB charge unit, I found that these two parts were damaged in the impact and will need to be replaced. I've replaced the shutter and MB charge unit. It's now time to finish the repairs and complete all of the servicing and put the camera back together. As you can see, the camera is working perfectly now. If your Sony A7RM3 camera is going into camera error or has problems due to impact damage, please give us a call or visit our website at video1repair.com.